collect information about favorite colors. Some students she wrote it on the blackboard and asked Sahan
Siddhant.
to represent it on a table. Help Sahan to complete the table.
Okay, thank you so much. The teacher of class 2A collected information about the favorite color of some students. She wrote it on the blackboard and asked Siddhant to represent it on a table, help Siddhant to complete the table. Fine. So, like you all are in grade 2 and suppose I have collected data. Data means I have collected information about your favorite color. In a similar way, there is one teacher, she has collected data of class 2nd A students, okay, about the favorite color. Now what she did, after collecting all the data, that is after collecting the information, she wrote it on the blackboard and she asked Siddhant, there's one boy Siddhant in her class, to represent it on a table. Fine, you all can see one table is there. Now we have to help Siddhant to complete the table. Now 3 colors are there, red, blue and green. Aliza, unmute yourself and tell me how many students like red color.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, ma'am.
Yes, there are 4 students who like red color. How many students like green color?
2.
2. So we'll write here 2. Okay. How many students like blue color?
Ma'am, green color they like 2.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Blue color?
3.
3 students like blue color. Okay, so we'll write here 3. Yeah. And how many students like green color?
2.
2. So we will write here 2. Okay, that's correct. Okay, Aliza, thank you so much. Dhriti Radi, please read next line.
Now observe the table and answer the question. First question, how many more students like red than blue?
Okay. How many more students like red than blue? How many students like red color, Dhriti?
4 students.
Yes. And how many students like blue color?
3.
3. Now the question is how many more? Whenever the words are how many more, what we will do, addition or subtraction?
Ma'am, if we do
They are asking how many more. So addition or subtraction?
Ma'am, subtraction.
Yes, we will subtract the given numbers because they are asking how many more. They are not asking you the total number of students. But they are asking you how many more students like red than blue. So we will subtract. So there are 4 students who like red color. So we will write 4 here.
So
Then
we will write 4.
we will put a minus sign. Then how many students like blue color? 3. So we'll write here 3.
Blue color 3.
After this we'll put a equal to sign. Now 4 minus 3 is how much, Dhriti?
1.
Yes. So answer is 1. There is one more student who likes red than blue. Only one student is more. Okay. Now Lohit. Lohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next question.
Which is the least like favorite color?
Favorite word is also there.
Like color.
Which is the least liked color? Okay. Least means?
Green. 2.
Okay. Answer is green, but I am asking you, what do you mean by the word least?
Some.
Huh? Some. Or you can say less. So which is the color which is liked by? Least means you can say less number of students. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So answer is green. You gave correct answer. So we will write here green. Green color is liked by least number of students. Least means smallest. Okay. Tanishka.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Last question.
How many students like red and green?
Okay. How many students like red and green? Now, Tanishka, you tell me, we will add the numbers or we will subtract the numbers?
We will subtract.
We will subtract. Question, are they asking how many more?
No.
So we are subtracting only when they are asking how many more or what is the amount left. But this time they are asking how many students like red and green color. Red and green means
Red and green means
we have to add the given numbers. Okay?
yeah.
Yes, children, they and word is there. This means you have to add. Okay, Tanishka, how many students like red color?
4, ma'am.
4. Okay, now we have to add. We will put plus sign or minus sign.
Plus sign.
Yes, so after this 4, we'll put here plus sign. Then how many students like green color?
2, ma'am.
Yes, we'll put here, we'll write here 2. Then after this, we'll put here equal to sign. 4 plus 2, how much? Yes, Tanishka, 4 plus 2?
6, ma'am.
Yes, so 6 students like red and green color. This is the answer. Okay, write this quickly. Okay, children. Now please take out your course book. I'll clear all this. And open page number 1616 of your math course book. Yes, children, please open page number 1616 of your math course book. Still some children are joining. I repeat, please open page number 16 of your math course book and then write date and classwork. Today date is 12 March 2021. Okay, I'll write here. Remember, you have to write date and classwork both. Okay. Shreyas?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyas, now please read this question. Count. Shreyas? Shreyas, are you there?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Please read this question on page number 16. Yes, Shreyas. Count.
In the table.
type of shadows in the picture below and write the
Count.
count in the table.
Okay. Count each type of shadows in the picture below and write the count in the table. Okay. So you have to count these shadows according to the instructions given. Okay, Shreyas, read the first word in the table.
Trees.
Trees. Okay, now Shreyas, you have to count the shadows of trees. How many are there? Count and tell me.
1, ma'am.
Shreyas, please look at the shadows carefully.
1, 2, 3. 3, ma'am.
Observe this picture carefully, Shreyas. More than 3 are there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you sure?
5, ma'am.
Sure?
5, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. 5, ma'am.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Yes, children, we have to count the shadows of trees first. Let us count them. This is the first shadow, 1. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what you will do, you will write 5 in the first row. You will write here 5. Okay, now next one. Akshay, unmute yourself. Tell me what is the next word.
We should count how many animals are there, ma'am.
Now we have to count shadows of animals. Yes, Akshay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.
7. 7 are there. Akshay, please count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 or 7?
6, ma'am.
Yes, that's correct. Yes, children, there are 6 animals. You can start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope you all are able to see these shadows. These are the shadows of animals. So how many are there? 6 are there. So we will write 6 in second row. Okay, now next. Meghna,
Yes, ma'am.
next. Third word, what is that?
Fishes.
Fishes. Okay, actually children, this is wrong. Fishes is not the right word because plural of fish is fish only. S should not be there, but okay, that's a printing mistake. No issues. Yes, Meghna, count and tell me how many shadows are there of fish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ma'am. 5, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 5 are there. So we will write here 5. Okay, that's correct. Okay, Meghna, thank you. Riyansika,
Yes, ma'am.
next word.
Winter red.
Winter wears. Okay, how many are there?
5, ma'am. 6.
6 are there. Count again.
4.
5, 6 or 4?
4.
Oh, yes. 4 is the correct answer. There are 4 winter wears. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 are there. We'll write 4 in the last row. Ashwita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the plural of fish?
Fish.
Sure?
No, ma'am.
Or fishes?
Fish.
Yeah. Okay. This means you are listening properly. Okay, children. So we have completed this table. So we'll move on to next page. Okay, I'll clear this. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone? Okay, fine. Now turn the page and come to page number 17. Yes, children, turn the page and come to page number 17. Kushal,
Yes, ma'am.
please read this question, first question on page number 17.
Okay, ma'am. Observe the table in
Question 1.
question 1 of group A and answer the following questions.
Okay. Next.
A. How many fishes and animals are there altogether?
Okay. Now we, if you remember, we had completed one table on the previous page. So we have to use that table, and then according to that table, we have to answer these questions. So the first one is, how many fish and animals are there all together? Now, Kushal, you tell me, we will subtract or we will add?
We will add, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am will subtract this.
Why? If we have to add, why? And even if we have to subtract, then why? How did you come to know that we have to subtract? Tell me. Think and tell me quickly. Yes, Kushal. Okay, give me one answer. Addition or subtraction?
Addition, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know the reason?
No, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. Anyone else? Is there anyone who can tell me why we have to add in first bit? Anyone? Yes, Ashwita Nalla.
Because all together is mentioned, ma'am.
What is mentioned here?
All together.
Very good. That's the correct answer. You have to find out the keywords which are already there in the question. Very good, Ashwita. Krishika, do you have any doubt?
No,
Okay.
no, ma'am. Just I want to tell all together.
Okay. Okay. Yes, that's correct, Krishika. Sorry, Ashwita gave correct explanation that all together word is there. So all together means we have to count them together, right? Okay, Ashwita. Ashwita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashwita, how many fish are there? Turn the page and see how many fish.
6, ma'am.
6. So we'll write here 6. After that, we'll put plus sign. Okay, how many animals?
5, ma'am.
5. So we'll write here 5. Then we'll put equal to sign. Okay. Now, Ashwita, tell me 6 plus 5, how much?
11, ma'am.
Yes, 6 plus 5 is 11. So answer is 11. So there we can say there are 11 fish and animals together, all together. Okay, fine. P. Shreyan. P. Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Next bit B.
How many trees and winter leaves are there altogether?
How many trees and winter wears are there all together? Okay. Addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Why?
Altogether.
Yes, all together word is there. So we have to add the given numbers. Okay, fine. Now how many trees are there?
5.
5. Okay. Sorry, we'll put plus sign. After that, how many winter wears?
6.
6. 6 winter wears.
4.
Yes, so we'll write here 4. Now tell me 5 plus 4, how much?
9.
5 plus 4 is 9.
9.
Yes. 5 plus 4 is 9. So answer is 9. Okay. Azlan,
Yes, ma'am.
next one. Bit C.
How many more trees are there compared to animals?
How many more trees are there compared to animals? Okay. Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's correct. Yes, children. How many more? Word is there in the question, and moreover they are comparing also. How many more trees are there compared to animals? Right? How many more means whenever you will find this word or then word is also there, this means you have to compare. Compare means you have to subtract the given numbers. Only then you will come to know how many more. Okay, Aslan. So how many animals are there?
There are 6 animals.
6 animals. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. And how many trees?
And trees, 5.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now, children, there is one mistake in the question because we have here 6 animals and 5 trees. But according to the question, they are asking how many more trees. Then according to the question, trees should be more in number. But what data is given here, according to that, number of animals are more. So what we will do? We will change the question here. So children, cut this trees word in bit C, and instead of this trees, write their animals. I repeat that please cut that trees word in bit C and write their animals. Okay, please write their animals, and where animals is written, cut that animals word, and then in place of that write their trees. Okay. I hope you all have understood why we did this, because according to the question we have to tell how many trees are more than compared to animal when compared to animals. But according to the data given in the question, number of animals are more than number of trees. So we will just interchange these words. We will cut these trees. In place of that trees, we'll write their animals, and in place of animals, we will write their trees, like I have done. Okay, Aslan?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, now tell me how many animals?
Animals are 6.
Yes. Yes, there are 6 animals, so we'll write here 6. After this, we'll put here minus sign. Now, how many trees?
5.
Okay, so we'll write here 5. Then we'll put we'll put here equal to sign. Now 6 minus 5.
11.
6 minus 5, 11. Aslan, you have to subtract, not add.
1.
Yes, so we'll write here 1. So what is the answer, Aslan?
The answer is 1.
Yes, so we can say that number of trees is more than number of animals by 1. So answer is 1. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all that why we have interchanged these words animals and trees. Devansh,
Yes, ma'am.
next question, bit D.
How many more animals are there compared to winter wears?
How many more animals are there compared to winter wears? Okay, addition or subtraction?
Subtraction, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because compared is separate.
Yes, very good. That's the correct answer. We are comparing here, and moreover, how many more word is also there? So yes, we have to subtract. Then only we'll come to know how many more. Very good, Devansh. Yes, now tell me how many animals are there? Yes, Devansh, how many animals?
6.
6. Okay, then we'll put minus sign here. How many winter wears?
4, ma'am.
4. Very good. 6 minus 4 is equal to how much? Yes, Devansh, 6 minus 4.
1, ma'am.
Yes, 6 minus
Ma'am,
4. Yeah, 2. Answer is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now this is the correct answer. Fine. Bilvika, unmute yourself and read last bit of question number 1. Bilvika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bilvika, please read. Sorry, not last, but the last bit of this question number 1. Bit E.
Which two types of shadow are in equal number?
Which 2 types of shadows are in equal number? Yes. Bilvika, now look at the table and tell me which 2 types of shadows are equal in number?
Ma'am, trees and animals.
Animals. Bilvika, trees and animals, or any other word will come. How many trees are there, Bilvika?
5, ma'am.
And how many animals are there?
6, ma'am.
So, number of animals is equal to number of trees. Is this?
Animals and fishes, ma'am.
Yes. Not fishes, fish. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, there are 6 animals and there are 5 fish. So, correct answer is not animals. Bilvika, unmute yourself, count and tell me how many animals are there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ma'am.
6. And how many fish?
1, 2, 3, 6, ma'am.
6 are there. Bilvika, there are only 5 fish. How many? Bilvika, count them again. There are only 5 fish. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm confusing in this, ma'am.
I have clearly circled the shadows of fish. Bilbika, now please pay attention and listen. One, four, and five. How many are there now?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, so there are only 5 fish. And how many trees are there? Guess will be the number of trees.
Fine, ma'am.
Yes, so this means fish and trees are equal in number. Okay, Bilbika? Yeah. So answer for last bit will be fish and trees. Yes, children, please write the fish and tree. Fish and trees. Okay, so this was all for today. I hope you all